Hello maths lovers. So in this video we'll learn finding cube of any two-digit numbers. There are a few methods to find cube of any two-digit numbers, and a few students asked me that how do you know these methods. Let me tell you. First way to learn these methods is by reading any of the Vedic maths books. There are many available online also, so you can learn these methods from those books. These are not created by me. Secondly, when we join some prestigious coaching centers for the preparation of these various entrance exams, there the teachers teach us these methods only, and even those teachers learn these methods from books. So with the teacher it is quite easy to understand these methods, but you can learn them yourself also by books. Second thing that students are asking me is that what is the use of these methods, because many of the time students take almost the same amount of time in solving that question as they would have taken while solving it with the conventional method. So I want to tell you, to be perfect in Vedic maths, to be as quick as a calculator, you should be perfect in addition, especially addition of large numbers. So Vedic maths techniques basically are very helpful if you know how to add large numbers quickly, and if not large numbers, at least 2-digit, 3-digit numbers you should know adding them in a quicker manner, and how you can perfect it. So you can perfect addition of large numbers by just playing simple games with your brothers, sisters or parents. Simply like my father used to play this game with me of numbers. So what we used to do, he used to take a calculator and simply used to ask like any number plus any number. For an example, 24 plus 35, what it is? 59. Okay, then he'll ask 59 plus 91, 150. Then he'll say, okay, now in this 150 add 142, 292. Now add 74 more, 366. Now let us say add 143, 509. Like this games used to go on for minutes and minutes until I give a wrong answer. And similarly, subtraction we used to practice. So this is how your brain gets developed in adding the numbers. So it all starts from an early age. Once you learn how to add 2-digit, 3-digit numbers quickly in your mind, then these Vedic maths technique are very, very useful. Okay, so let us not waste more time in talking. We'll start with the technique. What do we need to know before we even start learning this technique? So there are 9 natural numbers and their cubes. These cubes you have to memorize if you want to learn to find cubes of any 2-digit number. This is the prerequisite knowledge you should have. Okay, so I'll just read once for you, then you can pause and memorize them. It will not take much time. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125. Majorly student learn up to this point. 6 cube 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, and 9 cube is 729. 9 nines are 81, 81 nines are 729. 8 square 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. Like this you can memorize. Okay, so first of all memorize these cubes. Now I'll tell you a few techniques. First one, the technique which is applicable to all 2-digit numbers. Okay, so most common techniques you will easily find everywhere. So if I need to find cube of 32, how to do that? Now first of all, write the cube of this first digit. So 3 cube is 27. Okay, 3 cube is 27. And then write cube of this second digit. So I wrote the cube of the second digit, that is 2 cube is 8, leaving 2 blank spaces in between. So this is the first thing that I have done. A cube and B cube I have written with 2 blank spaces in between. Now how we got this 18? See, simply square this term, first term, that is 3 square. 3 square is 9. In the previous video we have learned square of the numbers. 3 square is 9. and then multiply this with this number 2. So 9 2s are 18, right? We squared this first digit, 3 square 9, and then 9 2s are 18. So this is how we got this 18. Now how we got this number 12? Square the second digit, 2 square is 4, and multiply it with 3. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Here I have written this. So I'll repeat it once more. Cube of the first digit 27, and at the last cube of the second digit, that is 8. Now square this number and multiply it in 2. So 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18. Similarly, square of this number multiplied in 3. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12. Easy? Okay. Now second step. Just simply double this number 18. So on doubling this number 18, we get 36. Similarly, double this number 12. So double of the number 12 is 24. And now we'll just add these numbers. So see, 8 as it is, 12 plus 24, 36. So 6 here and 3 carried forward. Okay. Now 18 plus 3 is 21, and 21 plus 36 is 57. That's why I said adding is required. You should be good at adding. So 57, 7 here, and 5 carried forward, and 5 plus 27 is 32, and this is the cube of 32. Right? Pretty interesting method. So now we'll do the cube of 46. Okay, let us start. Cube of 4 is 64, right? As we did in last question. Cube of 6 is 216. Then 4 square 16. 16 6 is 96. 6 square is 36. 36 4s is 144. So I am repeating the same thing. Cube of first digit, cube of second digit, and here first of all we'll square this term. 4 squares are 16. 16 6 is 96, and then 6 squares is 36. 36 4s is 144. Right, so we'll just write the single digit first. So 6 here, then taking this 21 here, carry it. 21 plus 144 plus 288. So I'll add it up for you very slowly. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 I've written here, 1 carried. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 14 is 17, and 17 plus 28 is 45 carried here. Okay. Now adding this up, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 here, 1 here, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 19 33. So 33 taken here. Now 33 plus 64 97. So the final answer is 97336. So this seems to be a bit lengthy process, but the only lengthy part is adding these things up. That's what I said. If you practice addition even for 1 week, you will be good enough to add this up very quickly. Okay. So now we'll see some shorter versions also, some more tricks also. So now, how to find the cube of a number which is from 11 to 19. Even shorter method than that we have learned. Shorter than that. So like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How to find? First of all, you'll write this number here. So I have colored it green. This number you'll write here. Okay. Then this number you'll write here. Okay. So I've colored it blue. Now square of this number, 1 square is 1. We'll write here the square. And cube here. Okay. So 1 square, 1 cube. And simply then double this number. A double of 1 is 2. Simply here double this number, as we did previously. Now we'll add 1 as it is. 1 plus 2, that is 3. This is misprint. And then 1 plus 2, 3. And then 1 as it is. So the answer is 1331. Right? Okay. We'll once again see this method. This is applicable only for those numbers which are starting with 1. And yes, you can do this question by the previous technique also. Okay. But this one is shorter version. So again we'll write this number 1, 12 cube we want to find. Then 2, square of 2 is 4, and then 4 2s are 8, that is cube of 2 is 8. So first of all this number, second digit, square of the second digit, then cube of the second digit. Now this digit as it is, 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, so 2 here, 1 carried, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and 1 as it is. So very quickly we found 12 cube, that is 1728. One more example we'll see, 13 cube. So simply 1 and then second digit 3, square of second digit that is 9, cube of second digit that is 27. So we'll just write single digit here, not complete 27, that is 7, and 2 will carry here. Okay, so 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 18 is 29. Okay, do I need to explain how we got 18 here? Double of 9 and double of 3, 6, right? Already we have discussed. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 18 is 29, and 9 is here, 2 will be carried forward. 3 to 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 here, 1 will carry, 1 plus 1 2, so the answer is 2, 1 9 7 13 cube. Here I have done 14 cube. You can again see 1, then second digit 4, square of 4 16, cube of 4 64, right? Double of 4 8, double of 16 32. So we'll write single digit, that is 4, 6 carried forward. Now 6 6 12, 12 to 14, so 4 here, then 1 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, will take 5 here. Or simply you can add 32 plus 16 48 plus 6 54, so 4 here, 5 here. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 8 17, 7 here, 1 carried forward, 1 plus 1 2, we got 14 cube. Similarly you do by yourself 19 cube, which is written here. How? 1, then 9, 9 square 81, 9 cube 729, single digit here, carried forward, add and so on. Do by yourself, it is a practice question for you. Okay, so this was our second technique, applicable only for those questions in which first digit is 1. Now we'll do third technique of the day, finding the cube only, shorter version. Okay, this technique is applicable for those numbers who are ending with 1, with 1. So for an example, 21, 31, 41, we can do any of these questions by this technique. What we need to do, the method that we learned previously, we'll reverse this up. Okay, so 1, first of all I wrote this 1, right? That is this one we have written. Then the second digit 2, and then square of 2 4, and cube of 2 8. So we are going in reverse direction, from right to left. Previously we went from left to right. Okay, this time we are going from right to left. First of all I wrote 1, then 2, then square of 2 4, and then cube of 2 8. Now just double this 2, it will become 4. Double this 4, it will become 8, as we have done in previous two methods. Now add them up. 1, 2 plus 4 6, 8 plus 4 12, 2 here, 1 carried, 8 plus 1 9, and the answer is 9261. Okay, now we'll see cube of 71. Cube of 71, first of all we'll write 1, then this digit 7, square of 7 49, cube of 7 343, doubling this number 7 to the 14, doubling this number 49 to the 98. Now we'll write this 1, 7 plus 14 is 21, 1 is here, 2 carried forward, 98 plus 200, 100 plus 49 is 149, we wrote 9, 14 carried forward, and 14 plus 343 is 357, and we got our answer. In the same manner you can find the cube of 61 and you can find 91 cube. Answers are here. Try it. By doing only you'll learn, and in one day don't expect you to do it very fast. If for 5 6 7 days you'll practice it, your speed will eventually increase with time. And now last technique. This technique is applicable for those numbers which have both the digits same, that is the first digit and second digit are same. We also call them doublets. So yes, again I would like to repeat myself. You can find the cube of this type of numbers also with the first technique itself. First technique is complete in itself and you can find any numbers cube. But yes, these are smaller techniques but have limited applications. So this technique is applicable only for those numbers which are doublets. Okay, so what to do? Simply you write the cube of this digit 4 times. So 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8. And now just double 8, 8 to the 16 and then 8 to the 16 and now add them up. So 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 4 here, 2 here, carried. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 16, 26, 6 here, 2 carried. 8 plus 2, 10 and the answer is 10648. Right. Similarly, you want to find 33 cube. What you will do? Cube of 3 4 times. 27, 27, 27, 27. So first of all write the single digit 7, 2 carried forward. 27 plus 2, 29. Right. 29 plus 4 is 33 and 33 plus 50 is 83. So 3 here, 8 carried forward. Got it? Okay. So 54 plus 8 is 62. 62 plus 7 is 69 plus 20, 89. So 9 here, 8 carried forward and 27 plus 8 is 35. So the skill is in adding, right? Once you know how to add quickly, it is an easy job to do. Now we have 77 cube. So a large number it is. What we'll do, first of all, cube of 7 3 times, 343, 343, 343, 343. Doubling this, 343 double, 686. Similarly, doubling 343, it will be 686. So writing the single digit, that is 3, and taking this 34 carried forward. Okay. So 34 plus 343 plus 686, if you do it quickly, you will see 1063 is the answer. And once you write 3 here, taking 106 carried forward, and now 106 plus 343 plus 686, and that will be 1135. So 5 here and 113 taken forward, carried forward, and 113 added to 343 will give you 456. So again the skill is in adding. So I'll just add it once for you. First of all, unit digit 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13. So 3 is here, taking 1 carried here only, 3 plus 1 4, 4 4 8, 8 8 16. So 6 will be here, 1 carried, 1 3 4, 4 6 10. So 106, that's why we have taken 106 here. Like this you can add at the beginning, but later on you try to add them quickly. Okay, as I explained you how I used to practice in my early ages. So this is all about cubing a 2-digit number. Bye bye.